Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Reddit TikTok videos, AI video tips and tricks. So if you want to create something like this with a lot of views on your TikTok application, what you're going to do here, or the very first thing you should do here, is to look for some scripts or stories which you can use later. I'm gonna introduce you this creepypasta right here. There are tons of stories that you can choose, but of course, you will not be using the same story or script that you're going to copy from here. So select that specific story and then copy or select all. This time, I'm going to introduce to you ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, and then what you're going to do is you have to paste this story, the whole script, but this time you have to put rephrase, or please rephrase this one, and ChatGPT will generate a new story for you, or the rephrased version of the script or story. Now, while waiting for this, you can go to your YouTube and then look for free gameplay. Type free gameplay right here, and then go to filters, look for Creative Commons, and then look for that specific video that you want to use for your TikTok. Okay, so don't worry, these are copyright free. Now, once you have downloaded, go to Canva, and then you have to edit your, let's just say, thumbnail, or let's just say your picture right here. So let's just say this is my picture, and this is the title of my story. Watch out. After that, tap share and then download this one. Now this time, what you're going to do next is you have to go to 11 Labs or any AI save with 11 Labs, and what you're going to do here is paste the script or the story that we have generated from ChatGPT. So go back to ChatGPT, copy all of this, and then go back to 11 Labs, paste, look for a specific AI voiceover that you want to use. Okay, and then after that, generate speech, wait for a couple of seconds, and then download. Once done, then I'm going to introduce to you this vid editing tool. You just have to create an account, then create a new project right here. Import the video that we have downloaded from YouTube, and then also import the audio from 11 Labs and also the picture, like your introduction. Just combine all of this, and then this is the result. So basically, that's how easy it is to make Reddit TikTok videos, AI video tips and tricks. Now it's ready, and you can upload this to your TikTok account. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.